Hello and welcome to episode 3 of Gold Rush UK 2018. What's happening today? Right, well, we've got a new sluice. We're going to do some crevicing like I normally do, getting in the little nooks and crannies. We're on a good river with gold in it. We're finding bits of rock like this with some interesting, very shiny stuff on it. But we have found some of the good stuff already. I'm on an inside line. There's the other inside line there. I reckon there's a straight line here, and I've just gone behind that outcrop there of bedrock. Watch it, it's slippy. And what I've done, I've cleared out all this, flooded it, got the little suction pump on it, cleaned it out, and that's where all that gold came from. There was bits of mercury in there as well, and I also had a go in there, found a speck. It's quite high up above the current water line, and there's some ore there. That's quite heavy. So I'll finish my butty, finish my soup, and I'll get back to you in a while. Don't go away. Down here, there's quite a few large boulders and things. These things here look like they're worth checking out. That's worth having a move if we can. Maybe that one. My plan is to see if I can move that. Right, that was heavy. Who knows what's in that lot? Let's dig it up. Just a quick catch up, guys. Oh, I am knackered. Oh, that's the rock I've moved. I've been shifting all this dirt, overburden, but sluicing it, and I've got down to some kind of ledge where the bedrock has a drop. I'm going to flood it and get my pump on it. Let's have a look at the sluice. It is just taking its time to clear the sluice. I can't overfeed it. There's an exchange going on, but I find if it's going good here, it blocks up down here. So I have to lift that slightly. The flow maybe could go a bit more, but the main thing is this top mat is working. 1 piece, 2 piece, 3, and it does seem to be catching. Same when I'm panning, You can see like a red ore in there. But I've got a little V going. I'm not sure what the best way to feed it is. It looks like it's level. And I've got a little bit of a dam wall going on there. And then you've just got to clear your tailings pile, allow a good flow of water coming out the back end. That looks like a nice piece of gold. Now I've got a bit lower down. Do I clean up or leave it? And so far the channel's doing well. I don't know if it's this silly gold panning or the bike riding or kite flying, I haven't got a clue what it is. But thanks for all the people who've subscribed, because we're now over 1100 subscribers. So if you like the great outdoors, stay tuned, there's loads to come this year. Got a couple of mentions as well for you today. It's a prospector up in the Scottish Highlands who's got a channel called Stu's Highland Gold. And there's somebody else who's back on the scene, and he goes by the name of PD. We've got some gold there. Looks like mercury there. Well, that looks interesting there. This mat is fixed in, so we just have to turn it upright and then feed it with water. So I think we'll do a clean out now. Okay, there's the sluice clean-up. A lot of mercury around here. That's a nice piece there though. Just there. Another piece there. Right, I just found another piece as well. It was on the end of the bottle. Another piece there. There it is. And there's just one more piece in there to go with the collection. There we go. There's the piece of the day. That piece there. Hear that? There you go. So I've got a piece there, piece there, piece there. Lots of fine stuff as usual, and then bits of mercury. Well, another day at the river. We found a bit of gold, we found a bit of the good stuff, so it's time to pack up, and I will see you again until the next time. It's the middle of March. I'm having a break because I am freezing. Probably fool's gold, but it's all interesting nevertheless. My feet are absolutely, oh crikey, 2 pair of socks is not enough today. Cheers.